Good day, everyone. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for anyone involved in the industry: load line convention and its immense importance in preserving safety. First things first, what exactly is the load line convention? The load line convention is an international agreement designed to ensure vessel safety by setting limits on how much cargo or liquids a ship can carry. In simple terms, it establishes a load line, a visible marker on the hull of a ship that indicates the maximum safe loading level. This convention originated in the 1960s and has been adapted over the years to address the evolving needs of modern shipping. The primary aim and focus of the Load Line Convention is to enhance safety at sea, particularly under the conditions that vessels are likely to encounter. Imagine a massive cargo ship, heavily loaded in rough weather, without established load lines indicating optimal loading levels. The vessel could be at risk of capsizing or sinking. The load line convention is our safeguard against such tragic scenarios. Now, you might be wondering, why is this convention so essential for safety? Let me tell you about three key reasons. First, stability. A ship's stability is crucial for its ability to navigate safely. The load lines indicate how much weight a vessel can carry while still maintaining balance in the water. When ships exceed this limit, the risk of listing or leaning to one side making them prone to accidents. Secondly, seaworthiness. The load line convention makes sure that a ship is seaworthy. Every vessel has its unique characteristics, its design, cargo type, and intended route. By adhering to load lines, ship operators can ensure that their vessels can withstand the pressure of the sea, including waves, wind, and other environmental factors. Thirdly, crew safety. The safety of a crew members cannot be emphasized enough. There's a saying, a happy crew is a safe crew. When ships operated within the recommended load limits, crew members can perform their duties more effectively without worrying about undue risk. An overburdened ship can lead to emotionally and physically draining situations for crew members. Now, let's talk about the global impact. The Load Line Convention is not limited to one country or region. It affects international shipping regulations and practices as a whole. By adhering to this convention, countries ensures that all vessels, regardless of where they're registered, meet the same safety standards. This fosters global cooperation and accountability among merchants and regulators alike. Take, for example, the IMO or the International Maritime Organization. This entity plays a vital role in ensuring compliance with the Load Line Convention. When governments and shipping lines work together, we create a unified safety framework that protects vessels, crew, and the environment alike. Let's shift gears for a moment and discuss real world scenarios. Remember the tragic sinking of the MV Estonia in 1994? This disaster claimed over 800 lives and is one of the deadliest maritime tragedies in history. Investigations revealed that the ship had been carrying an excess load for its structure, dramatically affecting its stability. By understanding and implementing low-line conventions, we can prevent such tragedies from happening in the future. On the flip side, there are countless success stories as well. Many shipping companies pride themselves on strict adherence to load line regulations. They conduct regular audits, invest in crew training, and promote a culture of safety first. This proactive approach not only protects lives but also enhances their reputations as responsible operators. As I wrap up today's discussion, safety isn't just a convention, it's a culture we must all contribute to and uphold. Thank you for joining me today. Let's spread the word about the Load Line Convention and ensure a safer industry for all. Until next time, stay safe and be informed.